Hey there. Have you ever felt like you're just not good at something and thought you'd never improve? Maybe you tried a new skill and gave up because it felt too hard. That's the fixed mindset speaking, convincing us that our abilities are limited and unchangeable. But what if I told you there's a way to transform that thinking? This is the essence of the growth mindset. So, what is the growth mindset? It's the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, learning, and perseverance. Instead of focusing on limitations, a growth mindset encourages us to see challenges as opportunities to learn. Now, let's dive into a few steps to develop a growth mindset. Step 1. Replace I can't with I can learn how. Instead of thinking I'm not good at this, try saying I'm not good at this yet. This small change in language reinforces that improvement is possible. Step 2. View challenges as opportunities. When you face a tough situation, remind yourself that growth comes from pushing through challenges. Embrace the idea that struggle means you're expanding your abilities. Step 3. Focus on effort, not outcomes. Success isn't just about achieving the perfect result, it's about learning and growing along the way. Recognize and reward your efforts even if you don't see immediate results. Step 4. Learn from mistakes. Failure is not the end, it's just feedback. Instead of feeling defeated, analyze what went wrong and use it to improve next time. Step 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people who support and encourage growth. Being around those who inspire you to keep learning and improving reinforces the growth mindset. So, what's the key takeaway here? Adopting a growth mindset empowers you to break free from limitations, learn continuously, and approach life with resilience and confidence. Embrace the belief that you're capable of growth, and watch how your world changes as a result. Remember, the journey of growth is ongoing, and every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Keep pushing forward and embrace the endless possibilities of your potential. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep growing.